It's no secret that many of us are looking for a quick and easy way to lose weight. Most of us don't know that there aren't any shortcuts, but a drink can help us with our weight loss journey. That drink is cinnamon ginger tea. As we already know, cinnamon water helps your body in many ways, including weight loss, reducing cholesterol, and controlling blood sugar. If you haven't seen our video about cinnamon water benefits, you can click the link at the top or in the description to watch that video. What if we add ginger to cinnamon? Will it still benefit us? Cinnamon and ginger are two spices that provide a surprising amount of health benefits. They're both well known for their medicinal properties that can be used to cure or treat several common ailments. They also contain antioxidants, which prevent cell damage and slow down the aging process. Taking cinnamon and ginger together may give you a boost of energy and help fight off a cold. Isn't it an excellent drink? Let's look at other benefits of cinnamon ginger tea. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic, while cinnamon has been proven to lower blood sugar. Anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and associated oxidative stress and will help lose weight. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association found that people who drank ginger tea with cinnamon daily for 12 weeks had significantly lower triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood sugar, which are all risk factors for heart disease. As a result, excess fat is not retained in your body. A good digestive system is key to weight loss. Ginger helps to stimulate digestion and effective against infections. Cinnamon can increase insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. So, how to make cinnamon ginger tea? Ingredients required for this drink are 2 tablespoons ginger powder, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon raw honey. In a vessel, add water, cinnamon, and ginger. Bring the mixture to a boil and turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Strain it before drinking. Add honey if you don't like the cinnamon taste. Make sure not to boil the honey and add once it's boiled. Take it on an empty stomach every day. Remember, not all cinnamon is the same. The cassia variety has a high amount of coumarin, which is harmful when taken in larger doses. Try for Ceylon, which is true cinnamon, and is much better because it has lower coumarin than the cassia variety. Make sure to get the Ceylon cinnamon, and if you're unable to find Ceylon, reduce it to small doses of cassia variety. Try out these, and let us know in the comments, how do you feel about drinking cinnamon ginger tea? If you like the video, give thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel.